Welcome to Teach Smarter AI, your go-to channel for tips, tools, and strategies to make your life easier and effective. On this channel, we help educators save time, reduce burnout, and teach smarter with the power of AI. If you have a phone, internet, and you're not making money online, you're missing out. In this video, I'll show you 7 free AI tools you can start using today to make money online, even if you have zero experience. Just one more thing before we dive in. Don't forget to click the like button and be sure to subscribe to Teach Smarter AI so you never miss a video packed with practical teaching tips. Let's get started. The first tool is Canva, perfect for beginners. You can use it to design flyers, create thumbnails, social media posts. People get paid daily for simple designs. Next is CapCut. It can be used for editing TikTok and YouTube videos, creating content for clients. Video editing is in high demand right now. Tool number 3 is ElevenLabs. You can use it for voiceovers, audiobooks, YouTube narration. You can sell voiceover services online. Tool number 4 is Fiverr. This is where you can sell your services, get clients, make real money. Tool number 5 is Pictory. Use it to turn text into videos. Start a faceless YouTube channel. This is how many people are making money on YouTube today. Tool number 6 is ChatGPT, one of the most powerful AI tools right now. Can be used for writing articles, freelance gigs, script writing. You can sell these services on platforms like Fiverr. Finally, we have Perplexity AI. Can be used for fast research, finding content ideas, writing better articles. Saves hours of work. These tools are free, powerful, and available to anyone with internet access. The only difference between people making money online and those who are not is action. Like this video, subscribe to Teach Smarter AI, and I'll show you more ways to use AI to make money online.